you how to download a Geometry Dash on PC. So let's get started. Firstly, if you have not already installed BlueStacks, download it from the official website and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your PC. After installation, you can simply search for the Geometry Dash and press enter. Now all you have to do is click on the Geometry Dash app in the search results to open its Google Play Store page and download it easily. Once installed, you can launch Geometry Dash directly from BlueStacks. You may find it on the BlueStacks home screen or in the My Apps tab. Click on the Geometry Dash icon to launch the game. Use your keyboard or mouse to control the game. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.